Hi guys, we're gonna ding dong ditch the house. As you can see, that's straight ahead of you, right there. My finger's pointing at. It will be right there. And my sister's knocking.
Yeah, I'm right here.
walked in and asked her.
What I look like? Come on.
Did somebody ring your doorbell? Okay. There's some little kids, but they just put this there. I want to see what it is. Is this yours? You better come get it right now. What are you doing?
Nothing.
No, what is this? Because I will take it and go to your house. What is this?
It's my towel.
Why are you putting it here?
We were just like playing tag.
No.
We wanted to hold it.
Okay, you need to stop doing that, okay? Because we don't know what this is for, okay? Because somebody could grab that and think that you're trying to videotape somebody or leaving something here, okay?
Tag. We wanted to hold it.
Yeah. Okay, but just don't do anything that's going to get you in trouble with the neighbors, okay?
Okay.
Because right now, people will think that you're going to videotape them, something like that. And neighbors get a little feisty about it, okay?
Okay.
So be careful.
Okay.